Hey, Jimmy from Cup Stuff. You ever been through South Carolina and see these little cars parked on the side of the road or a little stand that says peanuts? Well, they're talking about boiled peanuts, caviar to the South. So what we're going to do today is we're going to show you an easy way that you can do boiled peanuts at home. You don't need a big pot, you don't need a burner. All you need is a crock pot. And so that's what we're going to do today. We're going to show you how to do southern boiled peanuts in the crock pot. So hang tight.
Okay, so here's what we have. This is 2 pounds of Valencia raw peanuts, okay? These aren't roasted, they're not dried, they're just raw. I'm gonna take them and pour 2 pounds into the colander, and then I'm gonna take them and I'll rinse them off in cold water. Any of the open shells like that I find, I'm going to take out. And of course these grow in the ground, so you want to make sure these are pretty clean, but they do come with dirt on them some. So we're going to rinse them off good and we'll bring you back. All right. Next thing, let's pour the peanuts in the crock pot. And again, we'll pick out any sticks or anything that we find. Okay, so next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna cover the peanuts with water. And I don't know how much this is. This is a pretty good size crock pot. So they're naturally gonna float. So I wanna get pretty much up to the top. And next I'm gonna add half a cup of salt. And I know this sounds like a lot of salt, but that's what it takes to make it. Now, this is the point where people start to separate. This is just straight southern boiled peanuts. And if you come through South Carolina, a lot of the roadside stands, even bags you get in the grocery store, are gonna be this, just salt. But you can add whatever spice you want. But stir them up good. We're gonna put the top on. We're gonna turn it on high. And we're gonna let this cook for at least 6 hours and probably 8 to get them good and done. But as we get them where we want them, we'll bring you back. Okay, well, we've turned it down and we're gonna let these soak. Looking good. All right, let's take some out. As I said, we've already turned it down on low. Let's take one and see. That's pretty close. It's pretty close. Let's let them soak about 30 minutes or so and we'll come back. Well, if you want to know why I do this and why it's worth all the trouble, here you go. Girls, try peanut. Tell me what you think. All right, try them.
Very delicious. Very delicious.
There you go. That's why we do it.
Well, okay. Well, here they are. They're done. The kids love them. It's a great snack. They're easy to do. Takes a little time, but that's okay. They're every bit worth it. So, if you haven't already, subscribe. Hit this circle over here. We got another video for you over here. Until next time, hang tight.